Hey guys, so today we'll be making some nacho mince dip. At least that's what I call it. Like, I combine everything together, but don't let the name fool you. It's very easy to make. So let's get to it. I am the Lazy Chef. If you want to see more Lazy Chef videos, like, share, subscribe. Let's get to it. So we're gonna cook our mincemeat first. Some oil. Just let that cook for a bit. Put in some tomatoes, then gonna put in our mincemeat, and you make sure it's all detached. I like using a spoon sometimes to untangle it. Put in a bit of curry powder depending on how much mincemeat it is. Some spice and some mortar, and just pour it in, and then just mix it for a bit, and then we will cover it to simmer for a few minutes. As that's cooking, we are going to make some guacamole so that we have our dip. So this is just a mixture of tomatoes and onions, guys. You can add some chilies if you prefer, but this is the basic one. We're going to put that aside, and we're going to check out on our meat now. So it's sizzling. Looks good. Looks good, doesn't it? So now we're done with our meat. Just gonna put it there. Now I'm just gonna layer each. Let me just layer each. Now we are going to put our cheese on top of it. And this part I like to use the one which is already sliced because it's easier to layer with. Can put it around it like that, but you can use any cheese from cheddar, mozzarella. It just depends on preference. I am using cheddar today. And then now, after it's layered like that with the cheese, I'm going to pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then we'll be good. Okay, so now the cheese has melted on top. I like a bit more cheese than usual. So now right in the middle, we are going to put some guacamole. So that you have your dip in the middle. Just gonna layer it in the middle there. And there you go. We're done. It can be a snack when you have visitors coming over, or you randomly want something to eat. There you have it. Now let's try some. You can get some cheesy, just dip all in. It's so hot, it's really good. It's a perfect snack. So, and there you have it for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I am the Lazy Chef. I will see you next week for more Lazy Chef videos. If you try this out, comment and tell me how it came out. And I am out.